and this baby will be back in business. Alright, I put the mower up on a table just to make it a little bit easier. You could do this work on the ground if you want, but I'd rather be standing than kneeling. We're going to start by taking this red cover off, and there's 1 screw, 2 screws, they might be Torx bit, I don't remember. And then it kind of clips under the front here. So let's get this cover off. I'm going to use a pair of vice grips like this just to pinch off the fuel line, so we don't spill gas all over the place. Alright, so now we're going to remove this air cleaner cover. We got 1, 2 5/16 screws or bolts, and we got 1, 2 9/32. Not sure why they couldn't just make them all